Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series on machine learning. In this video, we will understand the types of machine learning. We will learn how many types of machine learning are there. We are all different and our personalities are different too. Our learning abilities are also different, right? So we all have different ways of learning and understanding new things. Some people like to learn in one way while others prefer a different way. For example, some students learn better when someone teaches them. When a teacher explains something to them, they can understand it more easily. Similarly, some students prefer to study on their own. They like to analyze things themselves and self-learning works better for them. Some students learn through experiences. This is called experiential learning. They observe things and learn from their experiences. There are also students who like to go for coaching, attend school, or learn in a group. Some students learn by remembering things. They repeat something many times and learn in that way. So, if we look at it, there are all different ways of learning. Human learning, right? And we are all different. Our learning abilities are different, and our methods of learning are also different. One more way of learning is, suppose we do something good and we suppose we get good grades or good marks or some kind of reward. So that way we also learn, right? This is also type of learning. We learn that okay, when I do this I get reward, so I should do this more often. On the other hand, there is another type of learning that is called punishment learning. So punishment learning means that you do something and receive a punishment because of it. Then you understand, okay, I should not do this. So learning what not to do is also a learning, right? Just as we should know that what to do, we should also know what not to do. So that is also a part of learning or a type of learning. So these are the ways how we learn. So students can learn through both rewards and punishments, and as a human being there are various ways of learning. Did you know that just humans learn in different ways, machines can also learn in a different ways. Some machines need to be taught by someone before they can learn. Some machines can learn by themselves through observations, and some machines learn through rewards and punishments as well. So if they receive a reward, they learn that action was good, and if they receive a punishment, they learn that the action was not good. So machines can also learn in different ways, just like humans. There are three main types or three pillars of machine learning. The first is supervised learning, second, unsupervised learning, and third, reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, there is a trainer who trains the machine. After training, the machine gradually learns to make predictions by itself. In unsupervised learning, the machine learns on its own and there is no any direct supervision, and the name itself says unsupervised, right? So there is no supervisor or a trainer directly guiding the machine. In reinforcement learning, the machine learns through rewards and punishments. So when the machine takes the right action and receive a reward, it means that the action was good. When it takes the wrong action and receives a punishment, it learns from that experience as well. So we will learn all three types in detail in the upcoming videos. In detail we will learn. So for this lecture, just remember the three main types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. So we'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.